When I was initially looking up information on how to put up beadboard walls, everything I could find was talking about gluing it onto drywall. But this is an old house. I don't have drywall. All right, the problem is I can't just glue up this like paneling wall to the studs because here's two problems. Number one is if I were to just like staple this into the stud, then I'd have a problem. I'd have a lot of flex in the middle because there would be nothing across the top or the bottom. Another problem is that I can't just put this board up because then the depth will be off and it won't match up to this plaster right here. I'll have a little gap here. What they did before was they had extra pieces of the bead board. They were individual boards and they nailed them at the top, the middle, and the bottom, and that shimmed it and it gave you a nailer. So I saved some of the old ones. They're like nasty, like I ain't trying to clean that up, and they're rotted. So saved them and then I nailed them up here. And then now that gave me a place to nail my bead board to. All on the top, the bottom, the sides, and I don't need no glue and I don't need no drywall. Okay, this room is original. They've got the bead board, they've got the plaster, and you'll see that they capped off that transition with a piece of molding here and shoe molding at the bottom here. So of course, that's what I'm gonna do in my rooms with my bead board and my plaster walls.